Alright, we're taking Prairie View Trail. I am right here right now. Gonna walk around there. Clockwise around. I'll come back here. It's a 2.2 mile loop. Okay, here we go. Prairie View Trail. Buffalo River State Park, Minnesota. By Glendon, Minnesota. Looks like they did a controlled burn earlier this year on that side. I can read that. It says scientific and natural area. You got the sun working against us as far as looking at that sign. Looks like they're doing a little bit of work up there. But I'm gonna walk right on by. Okay, doing some kind of a mowing or something. I am right there. There's that trail there. I'm heading there. I'll be coming down back from there, from that direction. Here we go. Prairie View Trail. Did a burn on that side. And there's the natural and scientific area right there. Yeah, you hear about tall grass prairie. This is it here. You can't tell how much taller the grass is. And it comes up to, if it wasn't for the wind, it'd be coming up to like up to here on me. About somewhere in there. Kind of hard to tell with all the wind kind of blowing it over sideways a little bit. There we go, grass prairie. Alright, reached the corner. Heading over that way now. And this is the edge of the state park right now. The state park is to my right, and then, of course, private land to the left. Oh, off the state park. Yeah, these trails are just mowed grass. I think it'd be pretty fun to be the guy that gets to mow it. That'd be pretty cool to be able to do that. Alright, I'm at another corner here. Going to the right. Man, for the wind. There's a cornfield right there off the state park land. There's a deer stand for hunters, and that's not on state park land, so. There's the Buffalo River. Going right there. And up here I see that there's a train track. Right up. Train tracks. So I'm at the northern edge of the state park right now. Got an overlook here. Ooh, don't take a next step. Go straight down. Yes, downstream. Upstream. Got another corner here, going to the right. Decided to stop here and pause for a moment. I am out of the wind and also in the shade, so decided to just stop here for a moment to take a little look around this particular spot here. And over that way is where those train tracks are. You see at the top of the ridge there. Of course, that's the direction I came from. Kind of little wooded area at the edge of the woods here. Let's walk up here now and going back to the sun and the wind. Right, I'm in the wind again. And in a moment, I'm going to be in the sun. There we go, I'm in the sun again. The Buffalo River there. Obviously there's a picnic area right on the other side there. I noticed there's some picnic tables over there. So I'm not far from civilization. Okay, I'm braving the wind here, but anyway, notice these gopher mounds. Look at the dirt. It's practically sand. Very, very fine. Huh. How about it? Got a bench here. I'll have a seat here for a moment. Got the Buffalo River right in front of me, but got brush right in front of me. I can't really see much of it. At least while I'm sitting down. I can stand up and see more of it. But I'm almost to the end of the trail. The end of the trail is right there. I'm going to sit here on the bench and just enjoy this moment for a little while. in the wind and the sun. Okay, I've sat here a few minutes and I'm ready to move on. Okay, here it is. The end of the Prairie View Trail. I just came down from right there and that's where I'm at. Got the complete loop. Now I'm going to head over to here, the Blue Stem Trail. I already walked this part on the way over here. I'm going to walk over here and take the Blue Stem Trail around over here and back to my campsite. Haha, there we go. Okay, coming up next is Blue Stem Trail.